Hey guys, it's Miss Alexander, and today we are going to review number patterns and we're going to learn to read the data to answer some questions. So here we go. As normal are X and Y coordinates. Remember how they're written. Remember they're in ABC order within some parentheses. Remember you find the X coordinate walking along that bottom line. It's also known as a horizontal number line. Also, the Y coordinate is located on the vertical line. That's the one goes up and down. Remember, you walk across and then you go up. It's like walking to the elevator, pushing the floor you need to get to Y. Remember, it always starts at 0, 0. X axis is 0, Y axis is 0, and 0, 0 is also known as, yes, you're great, guys, great job, the origin. Now, we've been doing this. Now we're going quick practice. Remember, I take this 2 and I put it into X. So right here, I go 2 plus 5 is? Yes. And my ordered pair is what? Yes, great job, you guys. And here, 5 plus 5. Yes, you guys, great job. It is 10. So my coordinate pairs are? Yes, thank you, you guys. It is 5, 10. And then 11 plus 5. Yes, you guys, it is 16. My coordinate pairs are 11, 16. Great job. Now we take these points and we plot. You guys know how to do that. Make sure you put the line on. This is where I've seen a lot of you struggles. Name 2 more points on this line. So we have numbers between 2 and 11. You just pick any number. So I've decided to go with 7. And because I did 7, I put 7 in this X. 7 plus 5 is? Yes, good job. And then this one, I'm actually going to do 9. 9 plus 5? Very good. So let's keep moving. This one, number patterns and graphing. So this says Y is 9 less than X. So I need to find where my X and the Y, there's 9 between them. So I'm looking at this first one, 8 and 16. Is that 9 difference? No. What about 14 and 5? Yeah, if I take 14 and subtract 9, I get 5. So I'm going to move that right up here. Okay. So I'm going to the next one because I want to do all of them. So we have Y is 6 times X. So whatever X is, I take that number and multiply it by 6. So I look at the 8, 16. Is 8 times 6, 16? No. What about 1 times 4? No. What about 9 times 12? 9 times 6? No. 64 times 6? No. What about 16 times 6? No. What about 4 times 6? Is that 9? Nope. What about 3 times 6? Is that 18? Yes. So you see how I just kind of go through all the numbers to see if it matches up. This says Y is 3 more than X. So whatever my X is, I have to add 3. So let's go. 8 plus 3, is that 16? No. What about 1 plus 3? Is that 4? Yes. So you notice how I just kind of go through all of them until I find one. Okay, here we go. We got to keep moving on. Let's do these bottom 3 also. Y is X divided by 8. So my X is actually bigger than my Y, and it's divisible by 8. So is 16 bigger than 8? Yeah, so this one's not it. 9 divided by 8, could that be 12? No. What about 64 divided by 8? Great job. So I'll put that right there. Okay, this is Y is 5 more than X. So here we go. Is 8 plus 5 16? No. Is 9 plus 5 12? No. Is 16 plus 5 21? Yes, great job, you guys. Now let's look at this last one. Y is twice as much as X. So we're looking for something twice as much. What about 8 and 16? What's 8 times 2? Yes, it is twice as much as X. So I've got the first set for you. Now we need to place these. I'm going to keep moving so you guys can practice this, or we'll do this in person. Okay, now we're going to expand your knowledge coordinate graphing by looking at lines and generating a pattern from the lines given. So here we go. So let's look. We have 3 lines. We have this purple line. This is the blue line. We have the purple line and we have the orange line. So if you notice, each line has 3 dots on it. So let's go look at some questions. It says, look at the blue line on the coordinate graph. So apparently we're looking at this line. It says, name the 3 points shown on this line. Okay, we can do that. So I'm going to walk over. I have 6, 5. So right here in ordered pairs, I'm going to write 6, 5. I'm going to go to the next one. Walk over 10, 5. 10, 5. Okay, there's a third point. Let's go look. Walk over 17, 5. Okay, that was kind of easy, kind of nice. Okay, what do you notice about the y coordinates for all the points on this line? What do we notice? So all the y coordinates are on 5. Did you see that? Right here, 5. All the y is equal to 5. And if we look up here, what's my y's? Now we get to name 3 additional points on this line. So ladies and gentlemen, we have many different points on this line. You just have to pick 3. So I'm going to do 1, 5. Why not? 3, 5. 5, 5. You can pick any number you want because you have the choice of 0 to 18. As long as the y says 5, you're good. So let's look at the purple line on the coordinate graph. So let's look at this line. See the purple? Yeah. So let's see the first, name the 3 points shown on this line. Okay, so let's go. 14, 4. So again, I write in my ordered pairs 14, 4. Let's look at the next one. 14, 7. And let's look at the last point. 14, 12. So ladies and gentlemen, as we're doing this, what did you notice about the x coordinates? Yes. All the x coordinates are on 14. Did you see that? Every x coordinate starts with 14. So now we have to name 3 additional points on this line. And again, we have 0 to 16. See that? So I'm going to do this. 14, 1. 14, 3. And 14, 5. As long as it's on the 14, I'm good. And I just decided to keep the same numbers I used up here. It's okay. So ladies and gentlemen, you're going to try to do the orange one by yourself. That's where this is. And figure out which line each of these are on. So I'm going to do this first one for you so you can see. So it says 1425. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go here and go 1425. 25 is not here, but because it's on 14, what color is that line? Yeah, so right here, I'm going to write purple. That's simple. That you're just looking at the numbers. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask. If not, have fun with this. Remember, as you're doing this, to smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I will talk to you later. Bye.